ready to ditch boring presentations and create slides that actually wow your audience. Let's dive into Canva and unlock your inner design guru. First things first, head over to Canva.com and either log in or sign up for a free account. Once you're in, you'll see a range of options. Click on the presentations button right here. Now for the fun part, templates. Canva offers a huge library of professionally designed templates. You can scroll through the options or use the search bar to find something specific to your topic, like business pitch or education. Once you've found a template you love, click on it to open it up. You'll see a set of pre-designed slides. Don't worry, you can customize everything. Click on any text box to edit the text. Change the font, size, and color to match your brand or style. Be sure to use clear and concise language. Next, let's add some visuals. Click on Elements on the left-hand side and search for images, illustrations, or icons. Drag and drop your chosen element onto the slide and resize it to fit. To add a new slide, simply click the Add Page button. You can also duplicate existing slides to maintain consistency. To change the background, click on the slide, then select the background option from the toolbar. Choose a color, gradient, or even upload your own image. Once you're happy with your design, click the Present button to preview your presentation. If everything looks good, click Share and then Download to save it to your computer. Choose your file type. Wide PDF is usually a good choice for presentations.